Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about compression packing cubes, your new best friend when it comes to packing smart and efficiently. So let's dive right in. Traditional packing cubes are a great way to organize your stuff while you're traveling, but the jury's still out on how much space they save. Compression packing cubes, on the other hand, are a game changer for travelers. They help you maximize space by compressing your clothes so you can fit in more without any stress. But the question is, how do they actually work? So let me show you. This is a typical compression packing cube. This set is from Bagsmart, and it's a really good set to buy if you're ready to upgrade to compression. Bagsmart gave me a link for you to use, and I'll put it in the description below for you if you want to pick up this set. The price won't change to you if you use the link, but it will help out our channel. Today we're going to pack in compression packing cubes using the 3x3 method for a trip to Disneyland. So if you're not familiar with the 3x3 method, it's where you pack 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 layering pieces, and then you end up with a bunch of different outfits. You want to make sure that they all sort of work together. Got a button up, some jean shorts, some sweats, some joggers. Here's a hoodie, a t-shirt, some lightweight pants. This is a fuzzy cardigan, a tank top. I got it all, just so you can see how you're supposed to set it out. So you can do these 3, these 3, these 3, or you can do these 3, these 3, and these 3, or you could do these 3, or over here you could do these 3, or you could do these, this, and this. So this is, I've got, just to sort of show you around that many outfits. So let's pack this all up and see how to use compression cubes. Start by folding your clothes neatly. You want to keep everything as flat as possible so that you can maximize the compression. I'm gonna fold up all of my items here, and then I'll show you how I put them into the packing cubes. The neater and flatter you pack these, the fewer wrinkles you're gonna have. Okay, let's get this stuff into packing cubes. This particular set comes with a bunch of different sizes, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. What I like about these in particular is that this top portion where you load everything in opens all the way wide like that, so you can get everything in there before you zip it all up. Once everything is packed in, zip the first compartment closed. Compression cubes have 2 zipper sets, one to close the cube. Now here's the cool part. The second zipper is for compression. A good set will have either a different colored zipper or zipper pull so that you can easily tell the difference. As you zip the packing cube, squeeze out the excess air, which will significantly reduce the volume of the clothes inside. And we always give it a good pat to flatten it out. Now, that makes a big difference. I'll unzip it and show you what it looks like when it's not compressed. As you can see, the cube shrinks down, creating much more space in your luggage. It's especially useful when you're packing for a longer trip or trying to fit more items into a carry-on suitcase. Compression packing cubes are also great for taming bulky items like sweaters, puffy coats, or hoodies. I always use a small compression cube to pack a full change of clothes in my personal item bag. And just like that, we've saved a ton of space in this bag. Look how much smaller and more compact this is now. That means you can fit more clothes in or leave room for souvenirs during your travels. Once your cubes are compressed, they're ready to go into your suitcase or backpack. The best part is they keep everything organized. I have a different colored set for each person in my family, which makes unpacking and finding things on vacation much easier. When I'm unpacking, I can just pull the cubes out and place them in the dresser at our hotel. They even work like bins if I happen to be in a place that's short on storage, like a cruise cabin or VRBO. Once you're at your destination, you can unzip the compression zipper and then the top zipper, and you're ready to go. So there you have it. Compression packing cubes are super simple to use, and they make packing way more efficient. Whether you're going on a short weekend getaway or a longer vacation, they'll help you save space, keep your clothes wrinkle-free, and stay organized. Stay tuned to see how we're going to pack all of this stuff into a personal item bag for a trip to Disney. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and packing hacks. Have you tried compression packing cubes before, or are you planning to? Let me know in the comments below. Safe travels, and thanks for watching.